How to get in touch with AliExpress customer service. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can get in touch with customer service of AliExpress for free. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to open up AliExpress. Head over to aliexpress.com and you can log in into your account if you want to. Then right here, you will find this profile icon. You can hover over there and there you should see an option that says Help Center. If you scroll down a bit, tap on Help Center, and after you tap on it, a Help Center should open up. So right here, you can see the topics and different stuffs available. So if you don't find what you're looking for here, you can contact your customer service. For that, you'll find this online service 24/7. Tap on that. After you scroll down here, you'll need to scroll down a bit, but yeah, now you can start chatting with an agent. So this is basically an agent. You can start, as it says right here, our agent will be with you shortly. And yeah, I'm currently one in the queue, and just wait for the queue to end and it will be your turn. And yeah, that's how you can get in touch with customer service on AliExpress. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.